Hi, I'm Wayne Ridgway of Burris and Ridgway Law Firm. We are a personal injury and workers' compensation law firm representing South Carolinians across the state. We service our cases primarily out of our offices in Columbia, Lexington, and Orangeburg, but practice across the state, as I mentioned. We also handle domestic matters like divorces and adoptions and child custody, as well as criminal defense cases, including DUI defense. I want to talk for just a second about dog bite injuries. I spent the first 6.5 years of my career defending insurance companies, defending corporations, handled a fair amount of dog bite cases over the years. Over the last 3 to 5 years have had some really horrific cases involving animal attacks, dog attacks. The reason I say horrific is very often these cases involve children. They involve wounds or scars that are in the facial area. For some reason, I think animals tend to go after the face of a young child when a young child gets down on their level. And I've seen some really bad injuries. It doesn't have to be a dog that is a dog who has a reputation for being aggressive in nature, a certain breed of dog, a pit bull, for instance. I see this a fair amount with small dogs. When a small child is with a small dog, the damage to the facial area can be really significant. In dog bite cases, the one thing that as an injured party or the parent of an injured child that you want to make sure that you are very aware of is that insurance companies are very eager to swoop in and try to resolve these cases very quickly, because they know what I know, and that is that facial scarring is serious business to juries in South Carolina and serious business to anybody that's taking a hard, objective look at the injury and what it is the child's going to have to live with. So I would caution any parent of a small child or any parent who has had an animal attack of their own, I would caution you against settling a case of that kind without making sure that you know exactly what is out in front and what may be able to be done to remedy the scarring or the blemish on the face or the body part. At Burris and Ridgway, we have plastic surgeons that we work with that we are able to get to look at scars for us and give us an idea of what could be done. Is there some sort of laser treatment? Is there some sort of skin grafting? We never settle a dog bite case without getting a plastic surgeon to evaluate the scar and tell us what may be needed into the future. Because what insurance companies don't want you to know, and the reason they swoop in so fast, is that not only are you entitled to recover for the medical expenses that's been incurred thus far, you're also entitled under the law to recover for medical expenses that you are more likely than not to incur in the future. So keep that in mind with any sort of dog bite cases. At Burris and Ridgway, we provide free consultations and would be more than happy to help you evaluate your case and see if we could help.